I just want to discuss about Squash. Squash is a plugin, okay, which remove unwanted headers from the request. Suppose you have a cookie. There are many like a set of cookies for you, but those are not required for the session validation. Okay, so it will check like what is the cookie. We'll get the response, like the valid response, and what is the cookie we don't get the response. It will gonna remove it. Suppose here. Uh, so this is the account. Let's like use squash. It's squashing here. We got the pop-up. Now we'll get a message like squash completed. Okay. Okay. Request minimized successfully. We need to go to the replay. To go to the new tab. Okay. See. You can see just only authorization, which is the only main thing that is required for the response we want. Okay. Suppose if there is a cookie, it is also checks only for the cookies. Suppose like okay, here we only have cookies. Let's give like squash, okay, for this request app.saytechnologies.com. What is happening in the background? Okay, request minimized successfully. You can check in logs, come for logging tab and go for search, and you can see some requests are sending. You can do okay. Uh, 42. See, we got the okay. We'll get the response. No cookie validation here. You don't need to have any cookie. So just use it. It is like a alternate plugin to uh, request minimizer in Burp. I've seen a guy made a video critical bug he found and he used request minimizer. So in Kaido, I have found it like there is Squash for the same things to do. That's all for the video to make you understand like how to use Squash.